Hi guys, welcome back to these videos. These are the series that prepare you to take part in the Diversity Visa Lottery program. In the last video, which I called it part 1, we discussed about the qualifications of a spouse who is supposed to be added as a derivative during the application in the Diversity Visa Lottery program. And today in this video, which is part 2, we are going to discuss into details on the qualifications of the children who are supposed to be added as derivatives in the application. Therefore, I'll discuss of 3 classes of children that are considered qualified as derivatives in the Diversity Visa Lottery program. But first of all these 3 categories of children, they should fulfill the following. Number 1, they should be under the age of 21 years old. The second is that they all should be unmarried and single. Having known that, with me here is a document from the travel.state.gov, as you can see up here. And in this number 15, it covers about the children. And this is what it says. We shall go through with you. When applying in the Diversity Visa Lottery, you are supposed to list the number of children that you have. And you also include all these details about the children. And we see here, it says all unmarried and under the age of 21 years of age, regardless of whether you are living with them or intend to accompany you or follow to join you. And as you proceed down below here, you see that we have 3 categories of children that qualify as derivatives in the application. The first category of children, as you can see here, include all living natural children. And this means all the children that you have given birth to, or all the children that are biologically yours, they are eligible to be added as derivatives in the application. The second category is all living children that are legally adopted to you. These are the children that through court procedures or legal procedures, they have been acquired by you. By the law, they belong to you. They all are eligible to be added as derivatives. The third category include all stepchildren. These are the children of your spouse, and this spouse must be legally married to you. Your legally married spouse, all the children that he or she came in to join you with, they all are qualified to be added as derivatives. And it is important to note this, that even if the child does not currently live with you, or even if you are no longer married to that spouse, even if you broke up, these children, they are still eligible to be added as derivatives in your Diversity Visa Lottery application. I hope that is clear. And as I come to the end of this video, we shall continue to read this. This passage here says, married children and children who are already aged 21 or older, they are not eligible. And to add on to this, even if your child is under the age of 21 and he or she is married, he or she is not eligible to be added as derivative. And there is another important clause here, and this is the Child Status Protection Act. What does this act do? This act was put forth to protect all the children that attain the age of 21 years during the processing of the diversity visa. This means that when you were applying in the diversity visa lottery program, the child was not 21 years of age yet, but during the process, he or she turned 21. So this act will protect that child. Even if he or she is above 21 years during the processing, he or she is considered as under the age of 21 and is eligible for the visa. I hope that is clear. And then finally, this last clause here, it says that a child who is already a US citizen or a legal permanent resident, when you submit your diversity visa entry, will not require to be issued a diversity visa. This is because he or she is a citizen or she holds the green card. So he or she will not require to be issued another one. And it continues to say, even if you omit that child that is already in the United States in your application, you will not be penalized. So if you include him or her or you exclude him or her, it's not a penalty. I hope that is very clear and the information is useful. Please don't make a mistake of including any unqualified child, because this will cost you the visa. Thank you for sticking around. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, and give the video a thumbs up. But if you're a returning one, I say thank you for your continued support. Please like the video and let's meet in the next episode.